To Section 30 of the Constabulary Force Act. Section 30 was amended, so I have to be careful which version I'm reading. Now, the police them like to use Section 30 of the Constabulary Force Act, like in the case of me. Section 30 says if any person who use threatening, same thing, abusive, calumnious, resist arrest, all of so many things, to a constable in the execution of his duties commits an offense. So, what the twist with the part now? You have to look for now the intention of the statute. Here it says, in the execution of his duties. The intent of the statute is to protect people from situations, constables like situations like this. When you go in one bar, or you go in one shop, and you not get service, when you look for the bartender or the supermarket or the shop attendant and say, yo, when up, BC class, hurry up. When up, BC class, hurry up. Now, why are you using language? Because you are trying to intimidate them. The gear where you want. You get it? You go in at the taxi, and you tell the taxi man, for example, let's say it was a constable. Where you know? BC class, hurry up and drive. Or, yeah, effing idiot. Where you know, hurry up and drive. Even I do this, Why do you say that? You say that because you are saying it, obviously, to intimidate the taxi operator. Follow me, people? Let's rally back now to who it is important, as Section 30 only applies to constables. There is a provision in the Transport Authority Act similar to the Constabulary Force Act, also taxi operators. All right? So, let's look at the Section 30. It says, in the execution of his duties, you are not permitted by law to use threatening, abusive, or calumnious, or resist any arrest, etc. Many other things are listed there. Or in the a constable in the execution of his duties. Why? That statute is designed to protect the constable from intimidatory tactics